Let's get started. Firstly, let's go to the registration page. The system will check all the information we input to see if they are valid or not. So for the username area, we cannot input anything which is already in our database. And then the password should be at least 6 characters long. The email address should be valid as well. Otherwise, the system will tell us that it is an incorrect format. For the real name area, we can input anything we want since it is not unique in our database. Then the birthday, the gender, and then we can upload a photo as our profile. After all these things are done, we can click register now. And then the JSP page will post all the information like username, password, email, your name, and date of birth to registrator Servlet. Then an email will be sent to my email. So let's go to my email box. Now we can see that there is a confirmation email. Then we can click it. Now we can log in. Now we are on login page. We have to input username and correct password to log in. Then we will go to home page. We can see some personal information here. If we want to change anything here, just click the button. And then we will go to the modification page. We can change the username, birthday, and gender here. Also, we can change the profile photo. You can choose another photo here and then open it. After all these things are done, we just click modify, and then all changes will be effective. Now, let's see how we implement this part of functions. We put all the related code in the modification servlet. Next, let's see how to post a message. Input some words here, and if you want to post it with a photo, just click choose file button and then select photo open and then click the post comment button. Since the words we post contains Boolean words abuse, the system will send an email to the mailbox of admin and say that user Xufeng just posted a message abusive which contains Boolean words. If you want to delete a message, just click the Chapish bin here and then it will be deleted. Let's post another message without any Boolean words. The same as before. Some words, and then the photo, and then post comment. Then let's see the simple search. Input something here, and then you can get all the usage whose real name contains what you input. Click someone's profile photo. You can see his moment. Then let's go to the advanced search page. If you input something that doesn't exist in the database, the system will tell you that nothing found. So let's find someone who has already been in the database. Great. You can see that WYH is his real name. So let's go back to the search page and input with real name. Let's input WHM and then search. You can find WHM. Then let's see the codes. If you want to add someone as your friends, you need to click the Add Friends button, and then the system will send an email to WHM's email box. Let's check the email box here, and then accept it. Now I can find WHM in my friends page. And also there will be a notification telling me that WHM has accepted my request. And now he is my friend. Now let's add another people as my friend. Let's say Gray. The same procedure as before. Click the Add Friend button. And then go to Gray's email box to accept the request. And then I can find Gray in my friends page. Now let's go back to the home page. We can find my friends' messages on the wall now. If I like a message, my name will appear following by the heart. Now let's go to the visualization page. The first one is search for people. Whatever you input here, it will show you a graph with all eligible people and their messages. The second one is search for message. If we input something that not existing in our database, it will just show us the UNSW nodes only. If we input something that does exist in our database, it will show us this message and the people who post this message and the UNSW node. Well, if we input nothing here and then click the search button, it will show us all nodes in our. The last one is search for friends of friends. It will show us. Let's log in with another account. Oh, there is a notification. Yes, the account I registered before, Xufeng, like my. Now let's see what admin can do. Log in with correct account and correct password. Click show all. We can see all the users here. We can unban or ban them. If we want to find someone particularly, we can use the search function. We search Xufeng and then ban him. Now let's go back to the normal login and see if Xufeng can log in or not. The system will tell us that you are banned since he has banned by the admin. Now let's unban him. Search with Xufeng and then unban. Also, we can see all the logs of users here, like Xufeng. We can see all the activities here.